ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ የሳሚ ቴክ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ተከታታዮች እንዴት ናችሁ? Good morning. Now I am fine, thanks to God. Now database management system part 1 multiple choice in this here as I told you yesterday, and now part 2 starts here from question 51. Before starting this part 2 multiple choice questions of database management system, I recommend you all watch again part 1. Please go back from the playlist and see part 1 multiple choice questions. Starts from question number 1 up to question number 50. Question number 51. Good. In today's video, I present you from 51 up to the last. The first question, which says, which of the following is an advantages of view? Which of the following is an advantages of view? A. Data security. B. Derived columns. C. Hiding of complex queries. D. All of the above are answers, or all of the above ilal. So the possible answer for advantages of view is option D, which is data security, hiding of complex queries, and derived column. Both are the advantages of what you call ቪው የቪው እንደናቸው ማለት ነው አድቫንቴጆች ናቸው ማለት ነው በጣም ጥሩ the next one which of the following is legal expression in SQL? A. Select null from employee, is it valid? B. Select name from employee, one column. Select name from employee where salary is equals to null, is that none of the above? So the possible valid or legal expression is the option B, which is about select name from employee. This is formal SQL query expression. Select name from table name. The table may be employee. This is legal SQL query expression. And instead of select all, you can specify which column you want. So this is the correct answer. Next one, the users who use easy to use menu are called A. Sophisticated users, B. Native users, C. Stand-alone users, D. Casual end users. Types of database user, I think you remember it. So a user who use easy to use menu driven interface is called native users. The option B is the correct answer. Option B is correct answer. Types of database users. Next one, which database level is closest to the user? The user. A. External, B. Internal, C. Physical, D. Conceptual. So external level is more closest to the user. Then the possible answer is option A. Next one, which are the two ways in which entities can participate in a relationship? The two ways of participating entities. The first, A. Passive and active, B. Total and partial, C. Simple and complex, D. All of the above. So the possible way of participating in an entity set is total participation and partial participation. Total participation and partial participation. So option B is the correct answer. The result of the union operation between R1 and R2 is a relation that includes A. All the tuples of R1, B. all the tuples of R2, set theory if you remember it, C. all the tuples of R1 and R2, D. all the tuples of R1 and R2 which have common columns. This is what you call the union operator or union operation between two relations R1 and R2. Then the possible answer is this one. D is the possible answer. Good. Then the next one, which of the following is a comparison operator in SQL? A. Equal to, B. Between, C. Like, D. All of the above. equal to such value, like looks like this pattern, between this and this range, then all of the above are possible answers for comparison operator in SQL query or SQL language. Next question 58. A set of possible data value is called a set of possible data value. All the possible data value is called A attribute, B degree, C tuple, D domain. Then the possible answer is domain. All possible, a set of all possible data values is called domain. The answer is D. Next one, which of the operations constitute a basic set of operations for manipulating relational data? A predictive calculus, B relational calculus, C relational algebra, D none of the above. So the operation constitutes a basic operations of manipulating relational data is called relational algebra. I think you remember in chapter 5 or 6, chapter 5 I think, chapter 6. Then the possible answer is C. The next one, which of the following is another name for weak entity? In an ER diagram, the another possible name for weak entity is A child, B owner, C dominant, D all of the above. Then the possible answer is what? The possible answer is child. Child is the possible answer. Why? Because we create a common primary key that is inherited from the super strong entity or relation. So the possible answer is A. The possible answer is A. Weak entity, another name is child. Which of the following database object does not physically exist? Not exist physically. A database object that is not exist physically. A base table, B index, C view, D none. So the possible answer is view. View is a database object that is not physically exist in the database environment. Then the possible answer is C. The next question, null is A the same as 0 for integers, B the same as blank for character, C the same as 0 for integer and blank for character, D not a value. Then null is the default value of what? Varchar and char. So the possible answer is D not a value. Not a value. This is the possible answer for question number 62. The answer is this one. The next one, which of the following is record-based logical model? Record-based logical model. A network model, B object-oriented model, C AR model, D none of the above. So record-based logical model is called network model. So the possible answer is option A. Next question, a data dictionary is a special file that contains the name of all fields in all files, B the width of all fields in all files, C the data type of all fields in all files, D all of the above. So the possible answer is D all of the above. Data dictionary is a special file that contains what? That contains the name of all fields in all files, true. The width of all fields, width, I think here it says the data or the value of the length of the data type or the possible character, number of characters. Data type of all fields in all files, yes. Data type width or size, and all fields of all file. This is the possible answer. Next, then the possible answer is D. Next one, a file manipulation command that extracts some of the records from a file is called select, project, product, join. Then the possible answer is A. Possible answer is A. Select used to extract or retrieve data from what? Extract or retrieve data from the database or from the record is called select command. Select command. Data manipulation language. A physical location of record is determined by mathematical formula that transforms a file key into a record location is called A B-tree file, B hashed file, C indexed file, D sequential file. Then the possible answer is B hashed file, which is the mathematical formula file key into a record location from a physical location record. The next one, a primary key is combined with a foreign key creates a parent-child relationship between the table that connects them or relationship makes them. B many-to-many relationship between, no. Network model between the table that connects them, no. All of the above. Therefore, the possible answer is this one. Making relationship between two tables using from the one table as a primary key and from the another table or relation as foreign key. This creates a relationship between child and what? Parent table or a relationship to connect them. Then the possible answer is A. In ER diagram, derived attributes are represented by standard geometrical shape. Using standard geometrical shape, the derived attributes A ellipse, B dashed ellipse, C rectangle, C triangle. Then the possible answer is dashed ellipse. Like what? Derived attributes like age by calculating or deriving from current date minus birth date, net salary, and such like attribute values is represented by a derived attribute standard geometrical shape dashed ellipse. Then the possible answer is B. Cross product is A unary operator, B ternary operator, C binary operator, D not an operator. Therefore, binary cross product is a binary operator like Cartesian products. Then the possible answer is C. Next one, an instance of relational schema RABC has distinct value of A including null values. Which one of the following is true expression? Which one of the following is true expression? A is candidate key, B A is not a candidate key, C A is a primary key, D both A and C. Then the possible answer is A is not a candidate key because A including null value. If the value is null, it is not a candidate key as a primary key. Therefore, the possible answer is B. Consider the join of a relation R with relation S. Two relations R and S. If R has M tuples and S has N tuples, then the maximum size of join is A Mn B Mn. It is better to enter here. C. It is better to look. Yeah. A Mn, B M plus N, C M plus N over 2, D 2 times M plus N. Therefore, the maximum number of columns or the maximum number of tuples in two relations R and S. If R contains N number of tuple and S contains N numbers of what you call tuples, then the maximum number of or size of join is M times N. Then the possible answer is option A. Option A is the maximum number of join tuples. Then next one, the natural join is equal to natural join A Cartesian product, B combination of union and Cartesian product. I think it is better to look like this one. And the next one combination of select and Cartesian product, D combination of projection and Cartesian product. Therefore, natural join is equal to combinations of projection and Cartesian product. Look or take this one. Natural join is natural join, meaning combination of projection and Cartesian product. Then the answer is option D. Which one of the following is not true for a virtual table view? A, view is derived from other tables. B, the question size not true for view. B, view is a virtual table. C, a view definition is permanently stored as part of the database. D, view never contain derived columns. Then the possible answer is D, C. C is the possible answer. A view definition permanently stored in the database is false. Why? Because view is a virtual table. View is derived table from many tables, frequently accessed columns or data from many tables and stored by giving common name view name virtually, and view never contain derived columns. This is what you call the answer for C. A primary key, if combined with a foreign key, creates a parent-child relationship between the table that connects them, B, many-to-many relationship between the table that connects them, C, network model between the table that connects them, D, none of the above. Then the possible answer is, I think this is a repeated question. Primary key with combination of primary key with foreign key. What it creates? Parent-child relationship between the table which connects them or that connects them. Then the possible answer is option A. Next one, in ER diagram, relationship type is represented by relationship. A, ellipse, B, rectangle, C, dashed ellipse, D, diamond. Then relationship is represented or represented via diamond shape. And standard geometric symbol called diamond shape represents ER diagram relationship. Then the possible answer is D. Hierarchical model is also called A, tree structure, B, plex structure, C, normalized structure, D, table structure. Therefore, hierarchical model is a tree structure. Don't forget this point. Then the possible answer is option A. To delete a particular column in a relationship, the command used is A, update, for updating or changing the value in a certain cell. B, drop, to drop a database object. C, alter. D, delete. So to delete a particular column in a relation, the command is called what? To delete. The command is C, alter table, drop this column name. Therefore, the possible answer is alter. The next one is the blank operator is used to compare a value to a list of literal values that have been specified. The blank operator is used to compare a value to a list of literal values that have been specified. A, btn, B, any, C, in, D, all. The blank operator is used to compare a values to a list of literal values. Then the possible answer is btn operator. The btn operator is used to compare any, in, all. Therefore, the possible answer is option A. A logical schema is the entire database. Conceptual schema is logical, the entire database. B is a standard way of organizing information into a inaccessible part. C, describe how data is actually stored on disk. D, none of the above. Therefore, logical schema is the entire database, standard way of organizing information into its accessible part. Describe how data is actually stored on the disk. This is what you call logical schema. Then the possible answer is D. Next one, a B-tree of order M has maximum of blank children. A, M, B, M minus 1, C, M plus 1, D, M over 2. Then the possible answer is M number of children if B-tree order has a maximum of M children. Then the possible answer is A. Next one, blank function divides one numeric expression by another and returns the remainder. Power, round, modulus, remainder. Then the possibility is mod or modulus function. The modulus function divides the remainder value. A data, then the possible answer is B. A data manipulation command to combine the record from one or more tables is called A. Select, B. Join, C. Projection, D. Product. A data manipulation command used to combine or merge one or more tables is called join command. Join command combines. Then the possible answer is C. Next one, the next one. In ER diagram, generalization is represented by A. Ellipse, B. Dashed ellipse, C. Rectangle, D. Triangle. Then in ER diagram, the generalization is represented using a triangle symbol. A triangle symbol. Blank is a virtual table that draws its data from the result of an SQL select statement. A view, B. Synonyms, C. Sequence, D. Transaction. Then A is a possible answer. View is a virtual table. It is the second or third equation related to view and virtual table. Then the possible answer is A. Virtual table is a view. The method of access which uses key transformation is known as A. Direct, B. Hash, C. Random, D. Sequential. Then hash is a method of accessing which is used by using exchanging key transformation. Therefore, hash is the possible answer B. A table joined with itself is called A. Join, B. Self join, C. Outer join, D. EQ join or equivalent join. Then the possible answer is self join. B is the possible answer, self join. The next one, blank data type can store unstructured data. A. Row, B. Character, C. Numeric, D. Varchar. So a data type that can store unstructured data is a row. Row used to store unstructured data. Unstructured data like video is unstructured data. Which two files are used to during operations of Dbms? A. Query language and utility. B. DML and data dictionary transaction language. D. Data dictionary and query language. Then the possible answer is the two files used during operations of Dbms are data dictionary and transaction log. Data dictionary and transaction log are two files that is used during operation of Dbms. Then the possible answer is C. Guys, this is the end of part 2, multiple choice questions, database management system, multiple choice questions, part 2. Please like, share, subscribe, and also give me some comments related to the video content as well. If you want to additional contents or videos related to this, I will reach more and more for other subjects and this subject as well. So please interact with the video via comment. Thank you a lot again and again. Thank you. Please share for your friends. I think this is very important for data management system course assessments. Any mock exam, final exam, mid exam, exit exam, any knowledge related to assess yourself in data management course, you can assess yourself by your own by taking this or watching this video. Thank you again.